Looking for the funnies when I'm seeing that someone watching me, and so I raise my head.
Hello traders, you're on Binary Options channel and my name's Annie. Dozens of people are becoming disappointed in binary options every day because they lose their money, but the reason are their own mistakes. They don't have a clear plan, they don't have enough knowledge, they don't have a source of correct information. So these are some of the reasons why people give up on binary options. I made myself a bunch of mistakes that cost me thousands of dollars when I started trading. So today I'll explain to you my best strategy of 2023. So I hope your trading will become much easier. If you're a beginner and you're thinking about starting trading seriously, welcome to my Telegram channel. Here I share free signals, answer questions and another information with you. So my subscribers earn benefits from my sessions for free every day. So be sure you subscribe to my Telegram channel and let's get started. So today I have $20 in my account and I choose the indicators of the candle channel. We'll leave the default settings and of course, as usual, I'm going to add a stochastic oscillator. I changed the overbought level to -75 and the oversold level to -25, typically. Well, let's find out some more good currency pairs. I choose pairs with a high payout percentage so we can disperse our deposit faster and make a profit. So indicators have been added, currency pairs too. Let's choose the right moment for our first deal. We can see that the green line on the stochastic oscillator crosses the red line from top to bottom. We also see that the price is at the resistance level, and I think that in the near future the price will decrease slightly. So let's make a deal and see what happens. My first profit for today, and now my balance is $37, which is great enough. So let's continue trading and find the right moment to enter the trade. The price has a very good potential for decline. The indicator also confirms our entry point. This is the intersection of the 75 mark. So let's open 1 minute downside deal at $35. And another profit for today, my balance is $49, good result. Every time I earn more and more. This makes me really happy, so let's find another suitable moment right now. I see an uptrend for this currency pair, so let's try to depict. This is our trend line and we see how the price started from it 3 times. For the first time, for the second and for the third. I opened a deal for 1 minute and the price of $68. You can see the stochastic is now at a higher level and we have made a profit. This is $128. As you remember, we started with 20. That's why, guys, you need to choose currency pairs with a high payout percentage. And remember, the more you invest, the more you get. Let's find the following good example. So here we see that the candle crossed the middle line of the candle channel from top to bottom. We also see that on the stochastic oscillator, the 75 mark also crossed from top to bottom. I opened the trade down for 1 minute. The next deal closed with a profit, and now we see a good intersection of the lines on the stochastic oscillator. Guys, remember that we started with $20 and now my balance is close to $246. By the way, it's very comfortable to use this best binary option strategy on Quotex. Quotex has a fairly simple interface that makes it easy and quick to understand. So for this currency pair, we see a signal to decline on the stochastic oscillator. Let's look at the older time frames. Here we see that the price is at the resistance level for the third time. Let's imagine this. This is our resistance level, and we see how the price reaches this level for the first time and turns around for the second time, and we see that the price has reached this level. I think we can make a deal. So let's go back to the 1 minute time frame, and here on the stochastic oscillator we'll already see good intersection for the lines. I open a deal for 1 minute. Another trade closes with a profit. Guys, this is really the best strategy. It's very simple. Use it in your tradings and write in comments how much you have already earned. Let's find out another good situation. Here I see the bullish rectangle pattern. This is a trend continuation figure. We see an upward movement, then we formed a rectangle in which the price moves from the resistance level to the support level. And now the price is the resistance level, so we can open the trade down for 1 minute. I think we'll achieve a good result, but let's wait. Absolutely crazy result, guys. Right now my balance is $874. Oh my god, I really like binary options. I remind you that in my free Telegram channel you can find out a lot more information about trading binary options, and also absolutely free signals for your trade. So be sure to subscribe to my Telegram channel, and let's go back to our session. So here we see that the 25 mark has been crossed on the stochastic oscillator. This is our first signal for growth. The second signal for growth is that the candles have pushed off from the lower line to the Keltner channel, and they are now moving towards the upper one. I open a deal for 1 minute. And as we can see, the transaction is successfully closed again. This is really the best and simple strategy, also ideal for the beginners. Let's find another interesting point. On this currency pair, we see that the price is at the support level for the second time. In addition, the lines on the stochastic oscillator begin to intersect from the bottom up. This gives us a signal to open a deal up. And we're fixing our profit again. Excellent result. I'm very happy. And remember, we started with just 20 bucks. This is all because Quotex platform offers us a high payout percentage. This is a very excellent result. Here we see a downtrend, but on the stochastic oscillator we see how the lines cross the 25 mark, and also the candles are slightly above the middle line to the Keltner channel. I open a deal for 1 minute. We're making a profit again thanks to our best strategy, and let's continue trading and find the right moment to the last trade. Here we also see a downtrend, but on the stochastic oscillator we see a signal for growth. Let's look at the oldest frames. Here we see that the price is at the support level, and I think we can make a deal, but we'll have to wait a bit. Let's move on to the 1 minute time frame. Great moment, I'm opening a deal, and let's wait for what happens. We made a profit of 4,222 bucks. I think it's a really good result this time, and thank you very much for your attention, guys. If you want to learn more about binary options or this session exactly, welcome to my Telegram channel. The link is below this video. I'm waiting for you.